So good morning everyone. Today I would be sharing with you a simple but effective way to take history from a patient during your clinical rounds. So once the patient comes to you and after you have done the general biodata of the patient, then you must ask the patient that what were the problems that led that patient to come to the hospital in the first place. Those problems can include anything that the patient says. For example, the patient says that I was having nasal obstruction for the last 6 years as well as a running nose for the last 3 years. So you will list them down. But this simple technique, it will enable you to properly understand and assess the complaint that the patient is facing. So this simple technique, it's called dupatta, and for those of you who know Urdu or the Hindi language, it actually signifies the headscarf and it can be written in Urdu as dupatta. So once the patient comes to you, then you will ask the patient that what was the duration of that particular problem. Then you will also ask the patient the onset of that particular problem. Then you will ask the progression of that particular problem. Then the associated factors of that particular problem. Finally, you would be asking any treatment that the patient might have taken or undergone before coming to you. And then the aggravating plus relieving factors. So for example, the patient comes to you with the complaint of nasal obstruction since last 6 years. So what you would be doing is that you will ask, first of all, if the patient says the patient has nasal obstruction, you will ask that the duration, you will ask for how long the patient has the nasal obstruction. Then you will ask about the onset. You will ask whether it was an abrupt in onset or was it slowly progressive in its nature. Then you will ask for the progression of the nasal obstruction, whether it continued to progress or regress over time. Then you will ask for the associated factors. This will depend on your particular knowledge about that particular complaint that the patient has. So for example, with nasal obstruction, you can ask for allergies or any other relevant thing that can be covered under the heading of nasal obstruction that is usually associated with nasal obstruction. Then you can ask for the treatment. You can say that did you take any medication, did you try to treat it on your own? And finally, A for aggravating plus relieving factors, you will ask the patient whether the patient feels the complaint to increase or decrease due to any factor. So this is a very effective and simple way, a simple mnemonic that can help you to dramatically increase the quality of your history taking from any patient. So after the biodata and you have got the presenting complaints of the patient, just apply this. Just ask for any particular presenting complaints, just put these particular things for every single one of those presenting complaints. So you will ask for the duration of that presenting complaint, the onset of that presenting complaint, the progression of that presenting complaint, the associated factors with that presenting complaint, the treatment as well as the aggravating plus the relieving factors for that particular complaint. Thank you, and I hope you liked this video. Do subscribe and share this video if you benefited from it.